Here's a quick overview on your PCM. You have here on the left-hand side are primarily all your icons for functionality. Your home page, which is currently shown here, everything is touch. Navigation, something everyone uses most often. If you're going to send a destination, you go into that. I always recommend starting off with state, city, then go to street and house. It actually pinpoints the location a lot quicker instead of bringing up multiple street names in multiple states. So here we do New York, we have city, so we'll say Amherst, New York. Now we want a street name, say Main Street. And we're going to do perfect. We're going to press go. And route's calculated. So route is calculated to where we're going. At any point in time, if you wanted to stop it, simply go down to the stop button. It's done. You can also save favorites like home or work. All you do is go in and touch it, go through the exact same process as we did before, and then you'll ask you to save. Next icon will be media. This is where you can actually go into changing your audio source. There is a drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Brings you to satellite radio, FM, AM, and if you are connected with a Bluetooth phone, you can stream some audio. So in this, we can show you how to save some favorites. Presets have been changed where they are now called favorites. So you go into your list, find what you would like to listen to. Let's say Coffee House, sure. Press the star on the right-hand side. It is now saved to your favorites. At any point in time, if you wanted to, you can go back through and uncheck what you wanted to remove out of your favorites. If you wanted to tune directly to a station that you are comfortable with, you can go through, use the punch pad, go to 68, and then you have that. And then you can also go through and press the star and save it a favorite. Phone functionality, which is in a previous videos where you can actually go through and connect your Bluetooth phone. Car information is pretty much anything you wanted to go into a deep dive and setting up specifically to your taste. I also recommend going through the digital owner's manual. It's actually very comprehensive and you can search for phrases and it pulls up videos and text. Down there you have some app functionalities, which if you're connected to My Porsche and have some subscriptions going, you'll be able to see the app log on the main screen. Sounds, surround sound, you have tone, you have bass, Bose, treble settings. Devices, you can see all the devices connected to your PCM, whether it be Bluetooth or iPod integration. It'll actually show up on this setting. And you can go into another deep dive of vehicle settings in this screen here. If you have any problems, please contact your sales executive. I'd be more than happy to help out.